Quantifying the World, your guide to quantitative adjectives. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we're going to explore a key part of English grammar, quantitative adjectives. This will help you not only to express amounts, numbers, and orders more clearly, but also to make your sentences richer and more colorful. So, let's dive right in. Quantitative adjectives, as the name implies, are used to quantify or count things. They tell us how many, or how much, of something we have. For instance, consider the following examples. I have 5 apples. There is a lot of water in the bottle. In the first sentence, 5 is a quantitative adjective as it tells us the exact number of apples. In the second, a lot of is a quantitative adjective telling us the approximate amount of water. There are 2 main types of quantitative adjectives, definite and indefinite. Definite quantitative adjectives provide an exact number. For example, I have 2 cats. She read 10 books this month. Indefinite quantitative adjectives do not provide an exact number, but a rough estimate or degree. For example, I have several assignments to complete. There are many stars in the sky. Using quantitative adjectives is quite simple. They are generally positioned before the noun they are describing. For example, 4 students are absent today. We have a few options to consider. Do remember, when you're using a plural noun with an indefinite quantitative adjective, you usually do not use a before the noun. For example, it's correct to say, she has many friends, but incorrect to say, she has many friends. Well, that wraps up our discussion on quantitative adjectives. I hope this video has shed some light on how to use these adjectives to express quantity in your daily English communication. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself using these with ease in no time. Until next time, happy learning!